A ratio is a way to compare two quantities, showing how much of one thing there is compared to another. It can be written in different forms, such as with a colon, 3 to 2, as a fraction 3/2, or using the word 2, 3 to 2. Ratios are used to compare quantities in the same unit, and they don't have units themselves. For example, if you have 3 apples and 4 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges is 3 to 4. It's essential to distinguish ratios from fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole, while a ratio compares two separate quantities. In the apple and orange example, the ratio is 3 to 4, but the fraction of apples is 3/7. Ratios can be simplified by dividing both quantities by their greatest common divisor. For instance, the ratio 6 to 4 can be simplified to 3 to 2 by dividing both by 2, and 8/12 simplifies to 2 to 3 by dividing both by 4. Ratios have various applications in real-life scenarios, such as maps, scale, art, aspect ratios, sports, player ratios, and finance, debt to income. To avoid common misconceptions, it's crucial to understand that ratios are comparisons, not necessarily parts of a whole. A ratio of 1 to 4 is different from 25%, which is equivalent to 1/4. In summary, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities, and it can be expressed in different forms. Understanding ratios and their applications can help you make informed decisions and analyze data in various fields.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.